Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear local lens data on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on the settings icon here, and here you will find lenses. Click on it, and here you will find clear local lens data. Click like this and just click clear, and this will be cleared. And that's how to clear local lens data, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.